Well, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default keyboard on your Android phone. Just go to the top right, and then go to Settings right here. Scroll on down, and we're looking for just General Management, and we want to go to here. Click on this. Then there should be an option. This one already says my keyboard right here, Samsung Keyboard Settings. I can just select it right here, and I should be able to just change my keyboard options. So that's great if I already have it set up. Like here's keyboard. I can switch between my different keyboards. So if I click right here, I just have Samsung keyboard. I don't have any other ones on here. So I can download the Google keyboard. But here's how you enable Google voice typing if that's turned off. So that's how you switch it if you have multiple ones. But we can go to the Google Play Store. Go to search. I'm just going to type in Google keyboard. Google keyboard. Google keyboard. And when I type this in, I should see that pop up. And then I can install it. That one's from Microsoft. So here's Gboard. So this is going to be like a standard Android phone when I open this up. We'll see if it allows me just to make that my default when I install it here. Enable settings. Okay, so it wants me to do that right now. So here's this settings. I'm going to go to here. Then I should be able to switch to my Gboard. Oh, here's my Gboard right here. So I can just turn this on. Gboard typing. Okay, so this looks good. So I can go back now. I should be able to just turn this on. And this should switch over. Gboard. Yep. Here it is. And then I can go back. I can open up something. Okay, I'm done. Great. Now move. Alright, let's go into here. Here's the Gboard. Okay, cool. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below.